Hey guys, we're here today again at Hardracing doing our Project Grom build, and today we're going to be doing a Finbro 183cc Big Bore kit, complete kit. This has everything you need to get maximum horsepower out of your bike. It's OEM bolt-on. It's a great highly quality machined kit, and we'll show you some close-ups and all the particulars of it before we do the install. So as you can see here, all the parts that are included, you have your new cylinder bore with the oversized piston already machined out with these amazingly nice quality grooved out valve pockets. Comes already rings clocked, installed, which is very nice. One less thing you have to mess with. Pins in there, obviously you're going to slide it about halfway out when you do the install. Get your clips for the pins. Heavy duty springs, because you're obviously pumping out more power. You want to put new clutch springs in there. This is also included with the kit. Everything here is included with the kit that we sell at Hardracing. You also get a higher flow injector. You're going to get a higher flow bored out throttle body, and we'll show you the comparison with stock in a minute. Right now we're just showing you what's included. A higher flow ported out intake. You get the new head that has gigantic 31 and 26 millimeter valves. We'll show you the huge variance between those and your stock ones. The head is also ported out on the exhaust and on the intake. Until you see the side by side with the stock one, you won't realize how much difference there is. And the camshaft already installed. And this is a high performance camshaft to utilize these gigantic valves and this huge piston. Everything here is all carefully and precisely tested, tuned, and developed to work together. This is not a piece of this, a piece of that, mixed with this, mixed with that. This is all engineered and designed to work together. The camshaft specifically made with the valves, specifically made for the piston, specifically made for the bore. Same thing with all this. And of course, you get replacement base gasket, replacement head gasket, exhaust gasket, and a clutch gasket. All this is included with the kit that we sell at Hardracing. The one option that you can choose is a CR9E, which you must use for the kit. It's recommended by the manufacturer of this kit to use a CR9E. It's a cooler running plug than stock. It's got a different end, and most important, you have to add, and this is also included with the kit, these two washers. The spark plug is optional, but these two washers are included if you want to get your own CR9E local. But you got to put these two extra crush washers before the stock washer. So you'll have 3 washers total. You'll have 2 crush washers and then the stock one. That will ensure that your spark plug tip barely sticks out of your head. Otherwise, this compression on this piston is so high that it'll hit your spark plug if you don't install these washers. So be very sure, regardless if you buy this plug or not from us, you must put these washers on the plug before you put it in the head. And you need to use a CR9E. You can buy it from us as an option, or you can get it local from your Honda dealer. It's totally up to you, but you need to use this, and you need to have those 2 washers when you put it on. So back to the kit. Again, these are all the parts that are included in our kit, as you'll see it on the website, and we'll show you now side-by-side comparisons so you can see how much amazingly differences between the stock parts and the Finbro parts. So here is your stock bore, and here is your Finbro. As you can see, it is much larger diameter bore, more flow into the cylinder. Your throttle body You can see it's all machined out compared to a stock one. All the extra metal there is machined out, and it's now shaped like a cone. Get a nice angle on that. See how thin that is? They basically machine it all the way to the edge, and then it funnels down to the butterfly valve. Compared to the stock one, it's a huge difference. Take that out of the way. And we got your cylinder. Let's compare those side by side. Obviously, huge difference. Little tiny piston. Gigantic 183 piston. High compression, 12.1. I think the stock's around 9 or 10. And of course, the best part is the cylinder head. This is kind of hard to see on video, but in person it's night and day. So basically you see the stock valve here versus that one, and then this one versus that little tiny one. These are 31 and 26, and we'll show you the comparison with the stock ones. So we'll take this end here, open that up. There's your stock one. Now that is the stock one. See if you can see that. That's how much bigger your valve is on the new ones versus stock ones. There is your comparison on the exhaust. It is huge. I mean, these valves are giant compared to the stock ones. So you have bigger ports, bigger piston, bigger valves, bigger intake and exhaust, larger injector, stiffer springs, bored out throttle body. Everything is bigger for one purpose and one purpose only: to get more air and fuel into the motor, higher compression, more combustion, more power. So once again, cylinder, high compression piston, rings already installed and clocked, pin inside, your clips, heavy duty clutch springs, high output fuel injector, bored out intake, bored out throttle body, base gasket, head gasket, exhaust gasket, clutch gasket, and complete cylinder head with camshaft. There are a few little things you do reuse on the cylinder head. You're going to put in your rocker arms on there, which are easily to pop out from the stock, and your stud for your exhausts, and of course your covers. But the valves are already installed, keepers installed, everything's good there. And next we're going to go ahead and put this on the motorcycle.